Going to take a look at NanoCorp, which provides some systems to create autonomous companies. Um, and so, yeah, that's a funny subject that we see emerging. We've seen multiple projects around this thing, like Paperclip in open source, but we also have seen Polsia. And today we're going to take a look at NanoCorp, right? So NanoCorp is all about autonomous companies and like the value proposition is that it actually allows you like AI to make money while you sleep. So like that's a bold statement that we probably won't have time to verify by the end of this video. Maybe I'll do a follow-up on X or even on YouTube. We'll see. Like we see the whole experience, whether it's great or not. We'll give it a shot and see if it gives us like good results, right? So I'm going to take a look at the dashboard first. So I just signed up real quick and I came in this dashboard, right? And so this dashboard is all about my conglomerate. So that's that's interesting. Yeah, like the idea is that you could have multiple companies, I guess, running in the meantime. So that's really interesting. So let's hit the create your first company. That's my really first company ever. I will hit the surprise me button, but I had some ideas like, okay, I've got this SaaS review business. What if it were an autonomous company? Could it be a thing? But let's hit surprise me. Okay, so I was expecting that maybe it would pre-fill the input, but yeah, we'll see the idea that it came up with. But I could have also have tried this, this SaaS reviews company thing. Um, so apparently it is setting up my company. So as you can see, the design is really cool, a little bit of old school. So apparently my company is already ready, so it's time to meet my CEO. Okay, so let's see the CEO I've got for this company. And so if I want to verify I'm a real person via X, I can unlock 5 bonus credits. That's an interesting growth hack for them. Uh, so I just launched my autonomous. Okay, I'll just tweet that real quick. Let's just tweet that. Okay, and I'm going to say I tweeted it. So it's currently checking whether my tweet has been sent, and like that's an interesting growth hack, and in the same time, a mean for them to verify indeed that I'm a real human, right? Okay, so done for the growth hack, and now so it's all called Host Squad. So apparently, I've got a chatbot to chat with my CEO agent, so that's interesting. And apparently, it's going to run daily planning cycles, manage tasks, and keep things moving. I can ask it anything or give instructions in there. So that's interesting. I still don't know much about what is Host Squad, so I'm going to take a look at the different tasks that it started. Um, Okay, so a little bit of a bug, like whenever it's writing and you scroll up, there is some issue, but Ojwad is now open for business, the CEO and worker regions. Come on, like whenever it's writing, I can't scroll up. So AI didn't, like if it's well coded, it's not ready for, like it should solve this bug. Um, that would be great. Anyway, so like for example, like some subject where AI is probably not ready yet is like this kind of visual bugs. Like you cannot catch it with Playwright, or you cannot catch it. Like you need a human using the dashboard to figure out that there is an issue. Like maybe they could have some widget. So okay, there is some issues that I would like to report, and then I could take maybe the task, but like it cannot fix automatically like these bugs on its own. It needs a human to give some feedback to it still. So yeah, that's just some random thoughts that I've got that just came up and that I wanted to report. So anyway, so this thing seems like it gives you real wow effect because like it shows you, okay, like AI is already picking up like a task list on its own, and I didn't do anything. I still don't know what the company is about. I just know that it's called HostGuard, right? And so currently it's building a landing page as well as the website. Um, and the description is like build a professional conversion optimized landing page for HostGuard and deploy it on yourself. HostGuard is a property management tool for Airbnb hosts with from 2 to 5 properties. Key features highlight: Quest auto screening, automatically screen guests using review history, blah blah blah. High risk booking flags problematic bookings, party risks, scam report, no reviews, blah blah blah. Maintenance reminder, automation, auto sync. So that's a really interesting idea. I guess that there are competitors that it's a real idea that could be made. So the idea isn't dumb. Like it's definitely real. I guess I never did such a thing as Airbnb rentals, but I guess that it could definitely be a thing, like a service to help people doing Airbnb rentals. So yeah, like the idea so far is really interesting. Like it came up with some pricing, like okay, we've got auto wash starter that's $19, and then we've got $39 for Osgood Pro. So that's really small. That's definitely what you would have in the normal pricing. Like you would have cheaper offers and so on, or be even I would like to have some free trial. Maybe it's already included. I don't know, but I can even learn more about credits and billing. Uh, okay, so yeah, it's currently working. Like it takes a while because it may be like I don't know what's the tech behind. Maybe it's a cloud code. Like maybe it's a cloud agents wrapper. Like it could be just paperclip does it with some success. Maybe it's another thing. I don't know how they do manage the actual logic of the agent. Maybe they just coded it themselves. Like it doesn't matter for the end user. But like apparently, like it's doing some work. It takes some time. Just like when, like my point was like, if you asked for Cloud Code to take the task, it would take some time as well. It would take minutes to do it. Um, and so far, I didn't pay anything for now. Um, didn't pay anything. So that's to note, like the free trial allows you to give you some real wow effect. Um, and so maybe I can type a message like, oh, yeah, before taking a message, I will just take a look at the tasks that it's scheduled for itself. Like, okay, so those seem to be like the same. So that may be a bug. That's interesting to note. That may be a bug. I don't know. Um, like the next tasks are like set up Stripe products and pricing. So yeah, that's really Stripe driven development, as we may call it. Like it comes really early in the process. That's really cool because like don't want to, like if you want to have some wow effect, you need your SaaS. Like if you want, especially like the value proposition to be filled, you want the company to make actual money, and then like okay, that works. That's crazy. Well, maybe some people will. As an effect, get back to non-slope economies. Maybe they would want to live the digital industry. Maybe they will want to go analog. But yeah, like that could be a consequence of this kind of things really working. But yeah, we'll see. So set up Stripe products and pricing. So that's the kind of things that took a lot of time before AI. Like even with Cloud Code, I can now do that real quick. Like, okay, Cloud Code, use my Stripe CLI in order to create my Stripe products with the prices and so on, and give me links and blah blah blah, and give me the process to create such things as checkout sessions and so on. So that's things that is definitely made easier by AI nowadays, especially since we've got CLIs for Vercel and so on. Research and outreach. So that's the interesting point, is that okay, like now we've got a product, but distribution is everything. Like everybody, like there are millions of people on the internet, maybe it's only 100 of people launching projects, but like, okay, how do I make sales with it? It's a bit my case with my YouTube channel, to be honest. Like it's the same for everyone who runs a business. Like, okay, I've got this activity, I've got some skills. Like in my case, I know I can review SaaS, and I can like get a camera and take a look at products. So that's my skill, and that's what my activity now. How do I get customers? And like if it managed to do that just fine, that would be impressive. Maybe like it would be great that, like, for example, I reviewed the product in my last videos. It was called Leadverse. And basically, it allows you to get leads from Reddit. And so far, like, I tried it after the video, like sending actual messages and waiting for responses. And people respond, and like the leads are really cool. And that's on Reddit. So in here, it's specialized in outreach emails, but there are other channels as well. So that's maybe like an improvement for the future. Like, okay, maybe branching Reddit, branching X accounts. That's more long-term things. But like, yes, like the real to get the real wow effects, like it's all enough. So that's the task that like, I guess that they set up some email infrastructure to get this outbound emails. Maybe they branch like Clay or something to get the data. Um, okay, and then like research, like for some reason, like it's still early, I believe, but like it's all like in doubles, like it's all yeah, like he created duplicates for all of these tasks, but like yeah, that may be because it's still early. Another thing is that um okay, so it's called in progress, and apparently I've got something to take a look at, so that's cool. But yeah, like if I didn't click again, like if I wasn't suspicious about like the actual progress of the creation, I wouldn't know that I can click on it. Maybe like it's just final verification or something. Okay, so Earthguard, protect your properties, screen every request, and automate maintenance. Stop worrying about bad requests and forgotten. Okay, so the value proposition is really good. The copywriting is definitely there. Um, like yeah, like if you take a look at the copywriting, you can just like I don't know just how long this thing will be running on Vercel. But yeah, just take a look if you can, because I think the copywriting is definitely there. Like it found the ICP and it defined the different problems that I guess they would have. Like maybe reference to another video, it was like my review on Shred IQ. And so the whole point of Shred IQ, it was like you go on Reddit, you look at people discussing and finding real validated ideas. And so, like, I don't know anything about Airbnb rentals. I guess that it's a real problem. But like, it would be even better if it took real validated issues, and then like maybe reach out to people on X or Reddit or anyway on forums or Slack communities. That would be even crazier. So the landing page is really cool. So even fake testimonials that creates trust. Well, the thing is that in the future you would want to plug yourself to these websites that do real testimonials. But like for a first step, that's really really impressive. Like before AI, it would take you tons of time. Like you would spend a whole day just on this page before AI. Like people don't realize, but like before AI, like yeah, it would just take you too much time. And software was sometimes way worse than that. Like copywriting was worse before AI than this page, for example. Like most people couldn't get such good copywriting before AI and such good landing pages. Um, and like it took minutes. Um, from there, I don't know what is happening really because like it's all in progress. It seems a little bit broken. Like I could say, what is currently happening. Happening. So yeah, that would be a way to interact with the agent. So let me get a comprehensive overview. Yeah, that's I don't know what is happening really. Okay, so company overview, tasks that could be improved. Like that's still early. I guess that it will improve over time. There is no question whatsoever on that front. Um, There are duplicate tasks. So even the agent figure out that there are indeed duplicate tasks. It's not just me who's hallucinating. Even the AI is reporting it. Apparently, products are already set up, but maybe not on Stripe. I don't know. Um, yeah, and like I wonder if I say, okay, like clean up duplicate, please. Like it asked me the question, so maybe it's able to do it. Um, Yeah, let's take a look at this page as well. I think it's to pay NanoCorp, but well, it's actually to pay my for my product, so that's interesting. Um, okay. So let me first get the task details, blah 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 blah. I can see duplicates. So it actually deleted duplicates. Okay, so that's impressive. I was in fear that the agent wasn't able to do actual actions, but actually it seems to be the case. It's like the task about the landing page seems really that it was done, and then I can manually run the tasks. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it's that I'm not a power user now. Like I don't know where to click exactly, but like just having some mechanism where things could run automatically, that would be better. That would be better. Like to have maybe a auto run mode or something. Um, yeah. So that would be cool. And like there are tons of potentials in there because like from there you can like work with the whole ecosystem and bring affiliate programs. You can bring like there are tons and tons of stuff. Like the potential for NanoCorp is infinite. Like even for competitors as well. But like the sky is the limit really with this kind of offerings because like you can just plug more and more services. You can plug some service to generate audio and send cold emails with 11 labs. You could generate videos, post them on TikTok. You can generate memes. You can do memes marketing with memelord.com. You can plug any service to this thing and get like the sky is the limit really with these kind of offerings. So may the best the best product win in this field. I will keep following NanoCorp. It was already very impressive in this short video. I guess it will keep evolving and improving over time. It was already very impressive, very useful. So that's it for this video and see you in the next one.